Hey guys, Will here from Core Performance. As many of you guys are aware, we've launched our new product, ICEFLASK. ICEFLASK is a 500 milliliter bottled water shaped similar to the PRC 152 radio. In this video, we're gonna go over how to mount your ICEFLASK to your plate carrier. Stay tuned. We're gonna quickly go over a couple of the configurations. As seen here on the IcePlate XO Gen 3, we have our garages for our SPC tubes adapter tongues from Axle. We have our ICEFLASK with holster. You'll see this relief cut in the holster. You take that, line it up to your garage, take your SPC tubes adapter and the tongue, slide it into your garage, mate the Velcro on top of Velcro. Now you have your ICEFLASK with the holster mounted to your IcePlate XO. If you want to double up for a full 1 liter of cooling, warming, and hydration, you just add a second. For those of you who are rocking radios in the front, we have other options for you. Instead of mounting them in a wing configuration, the ICEFLASK is incredibly versatile and can be mounted in a dangler configuration under the front flap, or essentially all you need to do, whether you want to take rear negative space or front negative space in your plate bag, is rotate the insert internal of the actual sleeve itself. If you want to flip or flop, depending on you're mounting to Velcro hook or Velcro loop, simply take the insert out, flip the sleeve, and then reinsert the insert. That will allow the end user, you, to mount ICEFLASK how you see fit, where you see fit. For those of you guys who want to mount the ICEFLASK internal to your plate carrier, as seen here on the IcePlate XO Gen 3 that features Velcro loop fields internal, you take your ICEFLASK, you can remove your holster insert, take your actual sleeve, rotate your holster insert, place it back into the sleeve, ensuring that you're lining it up properly with taking up that negative space. Mount it internal to your plate carrier instead of the external portion. As previously mentioned, sliding your ICEFLASK into your holster. Now, in this configuration, you don't have as much bulk under your placard. Same goes with a dangler configuration, internal. You save all the bulk under your placard. So mounting ICEFLASK to the rear plate bag on the IcePlate XO Gen 3 that also features Velcro loop fields on the rear plate bag internal. We have our ICEFLASKs with the holsters. You simply make sure that you are mounting Velcro hook to Velcro loop. Place your ICEFLASKs onto those plate bags, taking up that rear portion in which is normally negative space that you will find. So now you have your 1 liter of cooling, warming, and hydration. For those of you who want a quick grab bottle of water that is essentially stowed and out of the way, you can mount them on the rear plate bag of plate carriers like our IcePlate XO Gen 3 that feature Velcro loop fields on the internal portion of the plate bag, or some plate carriers that have external fields of Velcro. Simply take your ICEFLASK, mount it to the rear plate bag as seen here. Now you have 500 milliliters of quick grab, quick access, cooling, warming, and/or hydration. Well, we hope this helps. Let us know in the comments how you plan on rocking ICEFLASK.